Okay, here we are with a Holst 13 by 18 centimeter frame from IKEA. I'm just going to open it up here. It's got some shrink wrap on the outside. Open here. Oop. Okay, it came off. Outside. Okay, so we'll pop these 4 tabs up here. Got this a little separate part number on there. Little hinge that holds this piece on. We got a couple of holders on there. This side. So in the back here, looks like there's a what kind of assembly diagram or something on the back here. Some matting, a little bevel on the inside here. And it looks like we've got a cover here. Looks like there's a little protective film on it. There we go. Film off on that side. And on the other side, a piece of plastic. Let's see, so there's a little insert in here. Looks like it has a directional preference to it. It's a little bigger on one lip than the other. Go there, and then here's the frame. Get those 4 little tabs on the outside there, whatnot. So it looks like there's some clips holding the frame together on that side. Not sure if there's something on the inside there, but okay, so let's see. So let's try to put this back together now. So I've got the frame, that in. There's a piece of matting that goes in there. And then I assume you put both pieces of this film on top of one on one side, one on the other. And then it would be dropped in here. And I forget where that sort of went from or to. Let's see, maybe there's the in there like that. Maybe in there. And some of this. And fold in the tabs. Kind of looks like originally did, and then shrink wrap would go. Oh, here we go. Yeah, then the shrink wrap would go back around the outside, and we're done.